Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here at Dutchy HQ. Today we're going to be taking up the Cast Iron Wednesday challenge for April, which is cook a breakfast. So seeing as we're here in the UK, I'm going to be doing a full English breakfast. So I've got the English tea, let's get the English breakfast to go with it. So for the cook today, we're going to be using our little cast iron pot-bellied stove and our cast plancher.
So we've got our stove set up, 2/3 with charcoal, 1/3 without. This gives us a hot zone and a cooler zone. So I'm just going to add some oil to the plancher. Let's get it spread around. And just let it warm up. So we're going to start off with the thicker things first. So we've got 2 classic English sausages. Next on the grill, 1 tomato that I've just simply cut in half. We'll get these cooking first. Next to go on, smoked English bacon. Unfortunately this is not my homemade bacon because I can't make it or produce it at the moment, so this is just a store-bought bacon. But I will put a link up here for people to show how to make homemade bacon. Next we're going to get the hash brown on. So this is just half a potato that I've grated. It's still got the skin on. Just going to compact it down. Generally keeping an eye on things, keeping them moving. Next on the plancher, baked beans. Just keep them moving. Yep, tomatoes ready to turn. Keep the sausages moving. So I've just got 2 mushrooms I've sliced in half. I like my mushrooms with a bit of texture. I don't like them watery, so this is why they're going on now instead of at the beginning. Next on is black pudding, or some people call it blood pudding, blood sausage. So this sausage is already cooked. Basically all it needs to be is just crisped on the outside. In a minute, we're starting to move things away into the cooler zone. Now it's time to get the fried egg on. Apply a little pressure to this ring to stop the egg white leaking out. That's set now. Let's see if we can release this egg from this ring. Careful around the yolk, don't want to break the yolk. All we're really doing now is just cooking the egg off. We don't actually flip our eggs here in the UK. I've just got one slice of toast on at the moment, cooking. So, here we go. It's time to plate up. I'm honest, the beans are just a little bit drier than I would have liked them. Let's get the egg off.
So there we have it, folks, Dutchy's full English breakfast. The black pudding's nice and peppery, crispy bacon and a crispy hash brown.
So if you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.